Keep quiet!
No, we can't stay silent. I'm not afraid.
But we will die!
Better than hiding.
Alright everyone, first of all, check out this video. Today I've brought you a brand new niche. Although it's based on simple Stickman characters, this niche is getting incredible results. These videos look amazing, and the best part is that I created them 100% free with AI. Without wasting any time, let me show you a channel first. Take a look at these videos. This is a Facebook page that uploads dark, horror-style Stickman animations. Even though the concept is simple, these videos are going incredibly viral. The most interesting part is that if you upload similar AI-generated videos on Facebook, they can still be monetized. Facebook does not have a rule that AI-created content cannot be monetized, as long as it follows their monetization policies. Just look at these videos. They are highly engaging, and many of them have reached hundreds of thousands or even millions of views. Every scene is designed to keep viewers watching until the end. The name of this page is Cycloom. It has built an impressive audience, and today I'll show you exactly how to create videos in this style. First, let me show you my master prompt. It includes a consistent character prompt, an atmosphere prompt, and scene-by-scene prompts for every image. At the bottom, I simply ask it to generate images, videos, and voiceovers for every scene. You'll find this master prompt in the description below. Just copy it, open the Claude AI website, paste the prompt, and click Generate. After thinking for about 1 or 2 minutes, Claude first generates the consistent character prompt, then the atmosphere prompt, and finally the detailed prompts for every scene. This master prompt helps maintain perfect character consistency throughout your entire story. Now the next step is converting those scene prompts into images. For that, I create a document containing all the prompts and open Gemini AI. Gemini is an amazing image generation tool, and yes, it is completely free. I'm using the free version, not the paid one. I simply paste the first scene prompt and click Generate. After waiting for a few seconds, the first image is ready. As you can see, the quality is fantastic. Next, I copy the second scene prompt, paste it into Gemini, click Generate, and once again, it creates another high-quality image with the same Stickman character. I repeat the exact same process for scene 3. Paste the prompt, generate the image, wait a few seconds, and the result is ready. Then, I generate scene 4 in the same way. Every image maintains the same character design, dark atmosphere, and cinematic quality. I repeat the exact same process for scene 5. Paste the prompt, generate the image, wait a few seconds, and the result is ready. Now scene 6 to 8 one by one using the same method. Now take a look at the final results. All 8 images are complete. I've downloaded them and arranged them in order. As you can see, every scene looks professional, highly engaging, and perfectly consistent. The Stickman character remains the same throughout the entire story. So, our image generation process is now complete. Next comes the exciting part. In the following step, I'll show you a 100% free AI tool that will convert all of these images into smooth animated videos. Let's get started. Alright everyone, now it's time to generate the videos. For this step, we're going to use Digen AI. Digen AI is one of my favorite AI video generation tools because at the moment, it offers a very generous free plan. As you can see, I have plenty of free credits available in my account. The best part is that you only need to log in once. Even if you don't use the platform for several days, your account continues receiving free credits. Currently, it gives around 150 free credits every day, and after about 10 days, you'll have more than enough credits to create multiple AI videos completely free. Now let me show you the workflow. First, I'll select the RM 3.1 Turbo model. After that, I'll upload my first image and paste the animation prompt. Once everything is ready, I'll simply click the Generate button. Now we just wait for about 2 minutes. And that's it. Our first AI video is now ready.
Holding on to resentment.
Take a look at this result. Honestly, it's incredibly impressive. The animation looks smooth, the camera movement feels cinematic, and the overall quality is far beyond what you'd expect from a free AI tool. With just a single image and one prompt, Digen AI has transformed it into a professional-looking animated scene. What's even better is that you don't have to pay anything to create results like this. Everything you're seeing here has been generated using the free version. Now let's create the second scene. I'll simply upload my second image, paste the second animation prompt, and click Generate again. Of course, if you want, you can also write your own custom animation prompts. You're not limited to my prompts at all. Feel free to experiment with different camera movements, character actions, lighting effects, or cinematic styles to create your own unique videos. After clicking Generate, the AI starts processing the image. It usually takes around 1 minute, and during that time, it automatically analyzes the image, adds realistic motion, camera movement, lighting effects, and smooth animation to bring the scene to life. After waiting for a short moment, take a look at the second result.
Time is running out, and I have nothing left to give.
Oh my god, this looks absolutely fantastic. The animation is smooth, the movement feels natural, and every little detail has been enhanced beautifully. Both of these videos were created using Digen AI, and the quality is honestly amazing for a completely free tool. Now let's move on to another free AI video generator, Flow AI. I've already uploaded all of my images into Flow AI, so now I'll show you how to convert them into videos. Without wasting any time, I'll select the remaining images one by one. Then I'll paste the corresponding animation prompts and choose the VO 3.1 light model before clicking Generate. I'll repeat the same process for all the remaining scenes until every image has been converted into an animated video. Now let's wait for the rendering to finish. And here are the final results. Wow, all of our videos have turned out incredibly well. The animations are smooth, the scenes are highly engaging, and every shot looks cinematic and professional. Flow AI has added beautiful motion effects to each image, making every scene feel alive while maintaining consistent visual quality throughout the story. Each clip is around 8 seconds long, making them perfect for storytelling videos, Facebook content, YouTube Shorts, or longer AI animation projects. Now it's completely up to you to decide which tool you like more, Digen AI or Flow AI. Both of them offer free plans, both produce impressive AI videos, and each has its own strengths depending on the style you're trying to create. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and discovered a brand new AI niche that you can start creating today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my latest AI tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another exciting AI tool and a brand new content idea. Goodbye, and happy creating!